Hey everyone, Mike here with the watch list video for Wednesday, May 29th. Let me slide this over for new members. Pause the video and read that. It's a good explanation of what we do. Let me start by saying that we are in a 4-day week. Monday was a holiday, obviously, and kind of the ceremonial beginning of summer, if you will. I hope today's trading and really even Thursday and Friday last week is more of a, hey, there's we're surrounded by, or there's a holiday and we're just it's just a low volume scenario. I hope it's not a prelude to trading this summer because it's pretty dead, right? You can see the SPY here, another narrow range, very low volume. Proud of you guys though, some good calls. Proud of me too because I made a couple. LIDR, let's go to 5-minute candles. In the pre-market, preparing everybody for the day, I said I like this one at 381, which was the high from Friday. If it hit 381, even if it happened in the first minute or two. The old Suit G setup, right? SOOTG, which stands for straight out of the gate gap play. And it worked. And I actually got filled. I think I filled at 383, something like that. And pretty quick move to 475 and ultimately to 515. So I was proud of that one. ONFO, I'll just go over both of mine this morning first. ONFO on Friday, these are 5-minute candles, hit $1.15 basically, and then this morning $1.14. I basically called it over the high of day, knowing that Friday's high was basically right there, kind of that 2-day high break look. $1.15, and again, ultimately to $1.46. Nice percentage gain on like 7 or 8 cents risk that didn't stop out. So those two are by me. SMLR, Kevin P. You see this tight range here, called it over 31, which triggered right there. The stop probably about 90 cents, but it went up to 33.36. So you got a pretty nice over a $2 move before you even had to worry about it coming back to your entry. I thought that was a really nice call. And then I don't know how to say it, but IOND, I think D is the initial for the last name, was a chat room member that posted Reddit, RDDT, at 57.75, which triggered right there. The stop was only like 30 cents below, and it went up $1.53 from there, and pretty quickly, right? The setups that we like generally should work right away. I thought that was a cool call too. So that's it. There's some highlights from today. What are we watching? And man, let some volume please come back in. What are we watching for Wednesday? Let's go to the daily charts. All right, so there you can see the SPY again. NNE has only been trading for, I would say, not even a month, a few weeks. And on opening day, it hit 627. Today's high, 596. So certainly through today's high, it might go to new all-time highs. I like the looks of that. Nice volume today, too. MGNI, a week and a half or so ago, topped out at 1290. Today, topped out at 1285. Over that level. It's kind of extended, but still worth a look, right? JKS Solar Stock, just kind of coiling here after this pop. I like the looks of that one. Kind of like all solars right now. PLCE, I talked about this in the video from the weekend. Topped out at 1530 about a week ago, and today topped out at 1410, maybe through today's high. Tomorrow, maybe we make a run at that recent high. It's a thinner stock. It's also got a lot of shorts, though. AWIN, this is actually a very handsome daily chart, but I don't trust it. They came out with earnings in the middle of the day today, and then threw in a going concern comment also. So, of course, it squeezed, right? But anyway, the daily super interesting. Back here, it topped out at 980. Today, topped out at 914. As I'm talking to you, though, it's trading at 740 something in after hours. So, anything can happen, but be careful with this one. Certainly going to have it on a chart, though. MAXN, it's just coiling. It's a low-priced solar. So that one goes on watch. Let me try to type that right. CMTL, kind of an interesting chart right back here, which was about a week ago. Topped out at 291 and is starting to curl back up. SMR, nice breakout today. It was on the gap playlist. I did not find my way into the damn thing, but still very strong. Certainly worth keeping our eyes on. ONMD, just a quiet inside day today after that big 2-day pop. HIMS curling right back up after that gap up on good news and pulled back for a few days. Hood, In after hours, it closed at 24 to 7. And after hours, it's trading at 21.35 right now. And I want to say they said like $1 billion buyback or something. Topped out at 21.99 so far in after hours. So possible gapper tomorrow, and then also another possible gapper, MNMD, which closed at 836. As I'm talking to you, it's trading at 871. It went as high as 895. So if that's still gapping in the morning, we'll throw it on the gap playlist. We'll also work together, throw others that we see in the pre-market on the gap playlist. Maybe we'll catch some trades in pre-market tomorrow too, so who knows. But that's it for now. We'll see you in chat in the morning. Have a good night.